Report overview of biocompatible 3D printing materials market. This market is segmented by product, form, application and region. Some of the major key players are 3D Systems Incorporated, Stratasys Limited, Evonik Industries AG, Renishaw plc, Formlabs Incorporated, and more. This report will help you understand market outlook, competitive insights, regional analysis, industry trends, and growth opportunities during the forecasted period. Request a free sample by clicking on the sample link, or email us at sales@futurewiseresearch.com. Thank you for watching.